Let me hit you with two facts here. One, this is my real hair. It's starting to get ridiculous now. It's thinning out. It's going grey. Why would you buy a wig like this? Unless you had no other choice, but why would you buy a wig like this? Two, if you know all the pronouns, you can actually make loads of different sentences. So last week we did Gajay Mora Tattoo, and we picked that up during our revision as well. Gajay Mora Tattoo, how are you? But you can also say Gajay Mora Ta she, how is she? Gajay Mora Ta she, how is he? Gajay Mora Ta Dan, how's Dan? So if you know the pronouns, you can actually ask lots of different questions. It's the same question, just different. So let's go over the pronouns because we're going to do lots of questions this week and we're going to change the pronouns as we go as part of our practice. So, Gajay Crack, welcome back. Another lesson with Dan and let's do pronouns. So we know may, ta may go moy. That's I am. So may. Then we have to, you, to. She, he, she. Gets a little confusing because you see S-E, but E fada is A. So she, her, she. Mudge. I still haven't got this one perfect, but I've got the phonics here. It's like mud and fudge, mudge. There's a little W sound in there just to bridge the sounds together. Mudge. Shiv, you plural. I've already done that in the question. Well, not a question, but an answer. Or, I think we did Gajay Mora Ta Shiv as part of our practice. We definitely did Gajay Mora Ta Shiv as part of our practice. How are you plural? Shade, which is they. And then just drop the pronoun off and put a name on if you're talking about somebody, because you don't need to say he, Dan, or she, Una. You can just say Dan, but Dan, I don't need a pronoun. So let's go over these again. Very, very important that we learn these. So it will take you a while to get them by heart. Sometimes I still need to think about them. But this is the order that you'll find them in most learning books, or if you go to a class. So you start, always selfish, start with yourself, may, and then second person, so it's you, which is to. Now we'll go on the third person mode, and we'll look at she, he, and she. Now we're looking at collectively, we, including yourself, so we. So which is mudge. Then you plural, shiv. Then them. Had to make sure I separated those two words. Them. So them is shade. And lastly, we're just making sure that we know as part of this, you need to understand Gajay Mora Ta and then no pronoun. Okay, so we don't need a pronoun. You can just pop a name in. So Gajay Mora Ta Dan, Gajay Mora Ta Porrick, Gajay Mora Ta Finton. And that's it. That's all we're doing for the day. So nice, easy one, light one to start the week. This you'll need to practice. So I already gave you the question. Gajay Mora Ta Tu, Gajay Mora Ta Dan. Apologies if you heard my dog barking in the background. I'll try and clean some of the noise up. And yeah, just get in the habit of thinking, at least for me, you plural, he and she. Those are the big ones. Those are the big ones for now. And what we'll do is whenever we're making questions during the week for the rest of the lessons, I'm going to go through each one of those and try some of the different pronouns. And then I'm going to stop and give a pause and ask you for which one's the right one. Gar mé agaibh. Slán for now.